Yung ikinagagala?
Oo. Someplace in Asia.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I thought you asked me about it. Sige, translate mo pa.
Thank you for coming. Sana gusto mo yung mga regalo. God bless. Jameson. James. Thank you. And I love you po. Ay, I love you agad. Franco. Grade 6. Kala ko grade 6 na siya. Thank you for coming to Remy House. And ano? Sorry, hindi ko mabasa.
Miho yata, Miho po.
Miho, my heart?
Opo.
Oo. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito. Really. Bailey. Ba't yung sulat yung parang pan-doktor?
Maligyan na sa set.
Yeah. Because what you do, yung names nyo, ginagawa nyo ng signature. Kaya ang hirap basahin. May pababasa ko sa yung signature ko, ha? Thank you for coming. Hope you enjoy visiting the PV House. Ano to? Ilon. Ayun. Okay. Sana hindi ito ang huling pagkikita natin.
Natin. 11,
12. Bisaya. Okay. Sana po kayo nasiyahan sa amin doon. Oh, malinaw sa'yo doon eh. Thank you so much and God bless, housemates. Sana na-enjoy mo people. Okay. Jimboy. Roger.
Pangalis ko lang.
May nakalimutan pa ba ako? Rokat?
Richard.
Hindi, isa. Roger din?
Richard.
Richard. There's no period in the I. You forgot? It's okay. No big deal.
I don't like the dot kasi.
Huh?
I don't like the dot. That's I usually don't write the dots.
Oh, yeah? It's okay.
Special.
Arts.
Pauso mo yun eh.
Give me power soon.
Push mo yan.
Just like Bailey, he writes his H's in his case.
Teka, baka mas...
Wait.
Ganito na lang natin. And then,